Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, today our lecture is for the one class. The week is 5th and the subject is English. As you know that today we are going with a new chapter from the course grammar book. Open your grammar book page number 11. Okay, today we read in this chapter about a sentence. Do you have any concept about this? What does it mean? Sentence. Sentence is a group of letters, is a group of words which makes a complete sense. यानी means that ज़्यादा सारे अल्फाज को मिलाकर एक complete sentence बनाना, उसे क्या कह देते हैं? Sentence कहते हैं. Means that जिसमें ज़्यादा सारे words हों और वो सारे words मिलके एक complete sense बना रहे हों, एक पूरा एक sentence बनाते हैं, उसे कहते हैं sentence. इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन ये है कि हमेशा जो सेंटेंस होता है वो बिगिन करता है कैपिटल लेटर के साथ, हमेशा ऑलवेज बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल एस कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड ऑलवेज विद अ फुल स्टॉप. इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या है कि हमेशा इट ऑलवेज बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप. ओके, a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. If the identification of the sentence is it begin with a capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay, now come open your book page number 11. In this lesson we learn about a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. A sentence begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, I am a girl, he is Ali, he eats mango, we go to school. If I write an example like I am a girl. Now look at that. The first letter is a capital letter. The first word is capital and it ends with the full stop. As you notice, the first letter is the capital letter and end with the full stop. Now, here is an exercise for you. Complete the sentences. They are given you different pictures and you have to complete the sentences by adding a single word. Like this, as you can see in the picture, this is a dash. First they can solve for you. The first word is chair, so that's why they write there chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next, what is this? As you know that this is a ball. We complete the sentence. This is a ball. Next is bag. This is a bag. Okay. Now question number 2 is about rewrite these sentences correctly. Is Sana girl? I am writing here like they are giving you the words but they are giving you rearranged. यानी मीन्स दैट इनके जो वर्ड्स हैं वो आपने अरेंज करके उसको कंप्लीट सेंटेंस के साथ एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. लाइक सना इज अ गर्ल. एज यू कैन सी फर्स्ट लेटर इज द कैपिटल एंड एंड विद द फुल स्टॉप. अरेंज कर दिया सना इज अ गर्ल. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लेइंग इज शी. इसकी कोई सेंस नहीं है, आपको कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं दे रही है. अगर हम इसको अरेंज करके लिखें तो हो जाएगा शी इज प्लेइंग एंड लास्ट पे फुल स्टॉप. She is playing. Next one. In the class teacher is. इसको भी अरेंज करेंगे. Teacher is in the class and end with full stop. Teacher is in the class. Okay students. Now if we review the whole chapter about this chapter sentence. Do you have clear concept about this? What does it mean? Sentence. A sentence is a group of, again by repeating it, a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense by adding, begin with a capital letter and ending full stop. Means that a lot of words which make a complete sense is called sentence. The identification of the sentence is it begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Now here is an exercise. You can solve this by for your practice under the guideline of your parents and under the guideline of your tutors. Okay, this is for your one chapter. Now open your next chapter on the book page number 12. Okay students, our next chapter is about the positive, negative and interrogative sentence on the book page number 12. In this chapter we read about the three things. First one positive, next one is negative and third one is interrogative sentence. We read in this chapter about the three things. Number one positive sentence, number two negative sentence, number three interrogative sentence. Positive sentence क्या होते हैं? Positive sentences are those sentences which tells that something is true. Means that जो real चीज होती है इसके बारे में बताना कि वो जो चीज है या कोई बॉय है, कोई गर्ल है, कोई कॉपी है, कोई नोटबुक है, is true. वो ठीक है, वही उसे हम उसी नेम से कॉल करते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर दो सेंटेंसेस in which the word not is used. Means that नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस उन सेंटेंसेस को कहा जाता है जिसमें not का वर्ड यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we talk about the positive sentence tells us about something is true. Means that, for example, if we talk about an example, he is a boy. Is that a complete sentence? He is a boy. ये true statement है, इसलिए हम क्या इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन होगी कि ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस क्या होंगे? जिसमें नॉट का वर्ड यूज होता है. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर दो सेंटेंसेस इन विच द वर्ड नॉट इज यूज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, he is not a boy. As you can see, the word not is used. No, the word not, not is used, so that's why we say that it's a negative sentence. If we talk about in the interrogative sentence always end with the full question mark. The identification of the interrogative sentences is that it ends with a question mark. As you can see, is he a boy with the ending the question mark. Means that इसमें आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है, आपसे कोई पूछता है कि वो क्या चीज है, तो उसको आपका क्वेश्चन पूछना वो क्या होता है? इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. अब मैं इसको दोबारा again repeat these sentences about the positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentences. Positive sentences are those sentences which tells that something is true. Means that he is a boy, complete statement. Negative sentences are those sentences in which the word not is used. For example, he is not a boy, he is not a girl, he is not a man. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which end with the question mark. Means that in which the question is asked. जिसमें कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है उसे कहा जाता है interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which the question is asked. Like, is he a boy? Not confirmed statement that he is a boy or not he is a girl. Is he a boy? Ending with the question mark. Is it clear now? Okay. Now come on the book page number 12. If we read this lesson, a positive sentence tells that something is true. Examples: he is a boy, it is a cup, we are children. Next, negative sentences. A negative sentence that tells something is not true. The word not is used. For example, he is not a boy, it is not a cup, we are not children. The words not, no and never make the sentence negative. Interrogative sentence ask question, जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Is he a boy? What is this? Are these toys? And one more identification of these positive, negative and interrogative sentences is that it ends with the full stop in the positive and in the negative, but in the interrogative it ends with the full stop. Now, here is an exercise on the book page number 13. This is an exercise. Write P for the positive, N for the negative and I for the interrogative. They are talking about positive. P for positive के लिए P, negative के लिए N and interrogative के लिए I. They are giving you different statements and you have to put down their positive, interrogative and negative statements. Like first one is, it is a nice bag. If you can see the statement is true, so that's why we put P. The next one, what is your name? It's a question because they, as you can see in the last, the question is there, so that's why they put I. Number 3, I am not well. Negative sentence. He never tells a lie. Negative. Are you interrogative? We are Muslims. Positive. She is my cousin. Positive. There is no book on the table. Negative. Is this a watch? Interrogative. You do not like parties. Negative. Now, next one is that look at the picture and put a tick for correct sentence by following the examples. As you can solve these are the sentences positive, negative and interrogative. Now, this is the second exercise that they are given you different pictures and they are giving you two sentences. One sentence is true and next one is not true. And you have to put that tick for the sentence. Now, as you can see, this is the picture about, this is a school or this is not a school. As you can see, this is a picture of a house. So that's why this statement is not true. They put their true. Tick. Now next one is the girls are. As you can see in the picture, what the girls are doing. The girls are playing and the girls are not playing. As you can see, the girls are playing. So that's why we tick. Okay. Now next page is. Now as you can see, these are vegetables and these are not vegetables. You just identify and tick that. These are all rest of others. You have to solve these under the guideline of your parents and the teachers that this is the exercise. They are given you different pictures and you just have to put tick for the correct statement. Now convert these sentences from the positive to negative and to interrogative. For example, if I am solving this one, they are playing. They are playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G is a statement. It's a positive statement. And you have to make negative and interrogative. When we make a negative sentence, we put not. Means that they are not playing. And when we make the interrogative sentence, we add question mark at the end, like, because उसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, so that's why जो क्वेश्चन आस्क किया जा रहा है वो स्टार्ट में आ जाता है, तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा are they playing and end with the question mark. Positive statement, negative statement and interrogative statement. First one, they are playing for the positive, but when we are making the negative statement, we add not. They are not playing. When we are making the interrogative statement, we add question mark at the end, like are they playing. Now, the rest of others is solved by you under the guideline of your parents and the teachers. This is the exercise and you have to solve this. Okay students, now it's a review time. In this chapter we learned about the three things. First one is positive, next one is negative and third one is interrogative. Positive sentences are those sentences which tell that something is true. Negative statements are those which tell that something is not true. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which something is asked. Ask the questions. Is he a boy? If we talk about when we are making the sentences from the positive to negative to interrogative, the first one is they are playing, they are not playing. For the negative, interrogative, are they playing? Now this is about the whole chapter. We learned in this week about the two chapters. The first one is about the sentences and the next chapter is about the positive, negative and interrogative sentences. I hope you have cleared the concept about this. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact with the school. Okay students, thank you so much. This is for the task to you to solve these both chapters at your homes. Thank you. Now this is a homework task. That homework complete solve the grammar book page number 11, 13 and 14. These 3 pages are solved under the guideline of your parents, teachers, and you have to complete these 2 chapters in the whole week. I will come with the next chapter. In the next week, you have to complete this work. Okay, thank you so much.